Hello guys, this is my lunch and up to dinner. I sauteed what's left in the refrigerator. Cabbage, celery, carrots, and I put the canned kidney beans, and then I put chicharon. You can put chicken also, or pork or beef, but I'm bored already of chicken. So now I put the chicharon. That one, oh. You can eat the chicharon, but me, it's only for flavor. It's yummy, but I have cholesterol, so just for flavor. But you can eat it if you like it. It's yummy. So that is my food. Let's eat, guys. I'm gonna eat my lunch.